Today our lecture is about fiscal policy. There is a content of our lecture, definitions, key tools, types of fiscal policy, objectives, and example. Fiscal policy. In fiscal policy, there is a definition. Fiscal policy refer to the use of government spending and taxation to influence the economy. It is primarily managed by the government. For example, Ministry of Finance, Congress, etc. How about key tools? In key tools, government spending the can increase or decrease spending on public services, infrastructure, welfare program, etc. to influence economic activity. In taxation, adjusting tax rates, income tax, corporate tax, sales tax, etc. to influence the amount of money in circulation and encourage or discourage consumption and investment. Now come on types of fiscal policy. There is a two type of fiscal policy, expansionary fiscal policy and contractionary fiscal policy. Let's come on expansionary fiscal policy. In expansionary fiscal policy, increasing government spendings or reducing taxes to stimulate economic growth, typically during a recession or periods of low demand. In contractionary fiscal policy, decreasing government spending or increasing taxes to slow down an overheating economy or control inflation. Now, objective of fiscal policy: stimulate economic growth, reduce unemployment, control inflation through demand management, and redistribution income and wealth. Example of fiscal policy: during an economic recession, a government might reduce taxes to increase disposable income or initiate infrastructure projects to create job, stimulating demand in the economy. Thank you so much for listening me.